Okay, we're about to film Miranda's first solid food, except for oatmeal. It's carrots. And here we have mashed carrots.
Gotta get a little bib thing.
Little babe thing. She's very excited. Very excited, I can tell. Bib time.
Okay. This is gonna be so yummy. Look,
Here
it's
it comes.
orange. Orange. Think about that.
Maybe, I don't know.
Try a little bit more.
Shouldn't spit it out all.
Try some more. Some more. Spit up. There we go. Yeah, yummy. That is tasty.
What's that? Let me taste some of it.
It's just carrots with formula in it.
Yeah. Oh. She probably doesn't like it because there's formula in it.
That's why I put it in there, so she would like it. See?
She's eating it.
So it'll taste familiar. Oh, yummy.
She's not opposed to it.
She's not. She's not opposed to it.
I suppose I'll eat
I
it.
like carrots. Well,
If you really want me to, I'll eat some. It's not that big a deal.
You'll eat some more. Open up. Open wide. Open the upsie. There you go. Yeah. You look funny. You look funny. Okay, maybe 2 more bites.
2 more bites. Yum.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Don't push your luck.
Oh, no, no. You know what? Anymore? One more bite. One more. One more.
I said...
You did a good job. You did a really good job with your first solid foods. Yay. Lunch was good.
This moment
And
preserved forever.
nutritious. Yay. Yay. Victory. Woo, I did it.
All right.